Hey everyone! Did you know that your gut health can impact everything from your mood to your immune system? That's right, your gut plays a major role in your overall well-being. Today, I'm going to reveal some amazing foods that can help you keep your gut in top shape. From fermented foods to fiber-rich goodies, I'll be sharing my top picks for foods that naturally improve gut health. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Why gut health matters? Well, poor gut health can lead to digestive issues, a weakened immune system, and even affect your mood. This is because your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These tiny organisms play a big role in keeping your body healthy by aiding digestion, boosting your immunity, and even influencing your brain. So, maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall health, and the foods you eat can have a big impact on your gut microbiome. Let's start with one of the most popular gut-friendly foods. Number 1. Yogurt. Yogurt is more than just a tasty snack. It's packed with probiotics, which are live bacteria that are super beneficial for your gut. When choosing yogurt, go for plain, unsweetened varieties and add your own fresh fruit or honey for a natural sweetness boost. Number 2. Sauerkraut, a fermented food that's not only tangy and delicious, but also packed with probiotics, vitamins, and fiber. The fermentation process increases the probiotic content in sauerkraut, making it a powerhouse for gut health. A spoonful of sauerkraut added to your meals can boost your digestion and keep your gut happy. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is not just for flavor. It's also rich in prebiotics, which are fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Prebiotics help support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing your overall gut health. Try adding fresh garlic to your cooking or mixing it into dressings and sauces for a flavorful, gut-healthy boost. Number 4. Bananas. Bananas are a fantastic source of dietary fiber and prebiotics, making them a great choice for gut health. The fiber and prebiotics in bananas help feed the good bacteria in your gut and support regular digestion. Enjoy a banana as a snack, add it to a smoothie, or incorporate it into your breakfast dishes for an easy, gut-friendly option. Number 5. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, barley, and quinoa are high in fiber and prebiotics, making them essential for a healthy gut. The fiber in whole grains acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting regular bowel movements. Swap out refined grains for whole grains in your diet, like choosing whole grain bread or starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal. There are plenty of other gut-friendly foods worth mentioning, like kefir, which is a probiotic-rich drink, kimchi, another fermented powerhouse, and leeks, which are loaded with prebiotics. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can do wonders for your gut health, so don't be afraid to mix and match to find what works best for you. So there you have it, my top picks for amazing foods to improve your gut health. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips.